Hi, my name is BenBepz and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a professional videographer who specialises in travel, restaurants and hospitality content. I've worked with different brands such as tourism brands, hotels, headphones and even some camera and backpack products. If you're interested in my client and commercial work, then you can view my website in the description down below or drop me an email, benjaminpotts@benbepz.com. If you're just here for my vlogs and travel videos, then welcome to my channel. I really hope you enjoy everything I post here. Subscribe and turn on post notifications down below so that you never miss a video. Please drop a like on this one while you're at it.
Hey, get up and wipe your eyes. Everything'll be alright. Hold on, there's no one left behind. Wait a second to realize you're gonna see the other side. You're not alone, there's no one left behind.
I look forward to seeing you in all of my upcoming videos, and I wish you all have a great day. Hasta luego.